Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, I thought I'd take y'all along with me this morning. We are finishing up this knife here. This is a custom order. Got the American flag and the handles. Of course got my maker's mark on the blade. But what we're doing right now is we're making a lanyard bead for it, and we're going to put this in the laser, and going to put this in the laser and put some design on it, and then put it on the knife with some leather. So y'all stay tuned for that. Alright, so we got our bead in here, and what we're going to do is just kind of put a design on this, roll it, do the same thing, and we're going to kind of put a topography design around the whole thing. So we've got everything set up on there, so let's give it a try and see what happens. I think we need to go with a little more power on it for sure. So we're going to change the power up on it a little bit and try it again. That will definitely work. Alright folks, we've took that regular little old piece of wood and we have converted it into a pretty cool little old lanyard bead. We're going to dip it down in a little bit of oil. Look at there. Very unique. Alright folks, we got our knife in the vise here. We've got us a piece of leather ready for the lanyard. We're just going to kind of loop that thing through, even it up. we're going to put the bead on there. Well, I said that's what we was going to do. There we go. We're going to put that on there like that. We're going to make sure we got a good swivel on it. And we're just going to tie a little knot into it just to secure the bead on there. We're going to leave it just like that, natural looking. We're going to cut the excess off, and we're going to call it done. Look at there. Now, ain't that just a beauty of a knife right there? Still got to put an edge on it. This is the sheath for it. And that's what she's going to look like in the sheath. Very nice. The sheath is magnetized. I know some of y'all wonder why I don't have a crossover strap or anything for retention, but most of my sheaths I do. Y'all hear that? The magnet just grabs a hold of it once that blade gets down in there and secures it in place. I mean, it's never coming out of there. But this pretty much finishes this knife up. This is for a customer. I'll get the edge put on it. Add a little bit more oil to the leather. And this right here is also going out with it. This is a little valet tray. He had mentioned to me in some of the messages that his wife really would like one of these. So this is just a bonus piece that's going in there at no extra charge. Thought it would be a nice touch. And if we can keep his wife happy, she might let him spend some more money on my website. Just kidding. But not really. That is a good plan. Y'all gotta admit that. But anyway, just thought I'd share this with you. Give you a little dive into some of the things, little everyday things that I do, like the little lanyard bead. That was just a regular piece of wood, and we turned it into something cool looking. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you would. Just hit that subscribe button, like everything, share it. Give me your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this stuff. And if you're interested in anything like this, just visit my website, ruggedcrossknives.com. Thank y'all, and y'all have a blessed day. Alright folks, now this is our next one that's going to be going in and getting, this is the Punisher knife that I done not long ago. I think I done a raffle on one, and or maybe a couple of them. Well, this is the second raffle winner's knife. I'm trying to finish up. We still got to put the maker's mark on it, and it's going to get that topography design in the handle. This is cherry wood handle. Cut this out of a log myself, stabilized it, put it on, shaped it. It's beautiful just the way it is, but it makes it kind of unique with the design I put in it. So that's going to be our next, and I'll show you what it looks like when we get it out and get the design on it. So here we go. Right, we got the knife in the laser, got the program set up, so we are fixing to hit the go button and get started on putting the design into the handle. Really cool process how this works. Using the X Tool F1 Ultra laser here, and I love watching this thing work. It's made life so much easier on getting the designs on everything. It's just really cool process. Alright folks, we have took her out. We've got the topography design in it. Turned out really cool. Very nice. We're going to dip it in a little bit of oil. Make sure it's shines up like we want it to do. And then we will put our maker's mark on it. And then all we'll like on this one is getting the edge done and the sheath done for it. It'll be ready for its new home. I just want y'all to see just another little basic process that we go through here to just add that personal touch to everything. Alright, look at that. That is beautiful, folks. Or at least I think so, anyway. Very nice. It's going to be a good knife. Great knife. We'll get the maker's mark put on it. We'll get a sheath made for it, and it'll be ready for its new home. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like it, share it, comment, let me know what you think about this. This is the Punisher knife. I've got these available on the website. If y'all want to check them out, if you're interested in one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a blessed day.